Have you ever thought about growing your own culinary mushrooms at home? Imagine the freshness, the constant availability, and the sheer joy of cultivating your own food. Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to show you how to do just that. To get started, you'll need a few things. First off, a mushroom growing kit, which usually includes spores and growing medium. You'll also require a spray bottle for misting to maintain humidity, and a space with controlled lighting and temperature. Once you have these items, you're ready to start your mushroom cultivation journey. Setting up your mushroom farm is a simple process. Start by selecting a location. It should be cozy, dimly lit, and have a consistent temperature. Next, set up your mushroom growing kit. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for optimal results. Finally, prepare the environment. Mushrooms need high humidity and fresh air, so consider using a humidifier and ensure good ventilation. And voila! You've created the perfect home for your mushrooms. With your mushroom farm set up, it's now time to watch your mushrooms grow. Growing mushrooms requires careful attention and patience. It's essential to keep your mushroom farm moist, so regular misting is key. But remember, it's a fine balance. Too much water can lead to mold. Maintaining the right temperature is also crucial, generally between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye out for signs of growth, like tiny mushroom caps appearing. Equally important is watching for potential problems, such as discoloration or an unpleasant odor. If you follow these steps, you'll soon have a fresh crop of delicious homegrown mushrooms. Growing your own culinary mushrooms at home is a rewarding and tasty hobby. From gathering materials to caring for your fungi, you've seen the steps to success. Homegrown mushrooms offer freshness like no other. Enjoy your homegrown culinary mushrooms, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.